Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel, the home of no nonsense barbecue videos. Today we're going to cooking sticky chicken bao buns on the Blackstone 22-inch grill. First thing we're going to do is turn the Blackstone on. We're going to use both sides of this and we're going to put it on high heat. Once we've warmed up, we're just going to put some oil down. Now we're going to turn our attention to the chicken. I've got 4 boneless and skinless chicken thighs here. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. We're just going to get the hand in, give this a good mix. There's no need to marinate this for a long time. Just make sure all the chicken pieces are covered, just like this, and then we'll get them straight onto the Blackstone. We're just going to lay these straight down onto that oil. Listen to the sizzle of them. Third one in, get the 4th one. Now we're going to leave these for a couple of minutes. While those chicken thighs are cooking, we're going to make our sticky glaze. So we've got 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of harissa paste, and 1 teaspoon of runny honey. Get them all into the bowl and just give them a good mix. And that's what we're looking for. We've made our sticky glaze, so now it's back to the chicken. We're just going to give this a first turn. Get all these turned over. Just start to get some colour on the on that side, and we'll let these go again. You can see they're sizzling away nicely, reducing that fat out of it. We're going to come in again, give them another turn. Let's get this off here. Give them another turn. You can see the fat rendering out of these chicken thighs. That's what we're looking for. Come in, give them another flip. We're really starting to build that colour up on these chicken thighs now. These are about cooked now, so we're going to come in and cut each thigh into about 4 pieces, just the right size to fit into the bao buns. Once we've cut them up, we're going to come in and just give them a good mix around. We'll put them into the middle of the grill plate now, and we're going to add that sticky sauce we made earlier. So we're just going to pour all this all over. We're going to come in and toss it through that sauce. Make sure all the chicken pieces are covered. And we're going to let this do its thing, become nice, sticky. Now it's ready to serve. So we're just going to take it off the griddle. It'll be time to build our buns. We're going to serve it in, like I say, bao buns with a bit of coriander, some red chilli and some white sesame seeds. And there we have our built bao buns. So there we have them. That's Dutch's sticky chicken bao buns. We're in for a bite. Those chicken thighs are still tender. Taste of soya. A little bit of the harissa paste coming through, a little bit of heat, but the main heat comes from the chilies. A nice quick cook on the Blackstone 22 inch for a little bit of lunch.